we'll look at it like in the eyes of Google, we've got the umbrella, the main business, the gutter, and then inside you have those different units, like the coffee bar that we saw, or the restaurant, or whatever you're going to do. You can
Mhm.
create separate business profiles for those, brand new. And then
Okay.
you can just make sure that you use 2310 Lineville Road, unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3. Google, so what may happen is if you go and add those all at once, Google may say, hey, wait, hold on, they're just trying to add in a whole bunch of businesses. They may make you go through a verification process where you have to take a photo of the sign for that specific store or space in your general center, but you'll be able to verify those by getting a postcard sent. You just have to pop in the code and you're good to go. So you basically compartmentalize with those smaller business model or revenue centers in the center. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's good.
By doing so, the one thing I'm going to tell you, caveat here, is that when you have multiple business profiles, you've got to manage each of those business profiles. So when you bring your GM on or some employee, they've got to be looking not only at the gutter, but the other businesses that you have inside of, or I'm sorry, Buzz Social, but the other businesses that are inside of the center. So you want to make sure they're checking all of those. You might get reviews. You're going to have to put up photos and things like that. There's a whole bunch of best practices to keep you lively so that Google considers you relevant and shows you when people are looking for family fun or bowling or entertainment or things to do in Green Bay.